Ramseier Suisse is one of the largest drinks producers in Switzerland. The company makes vegetable and fruit juices, soft drinks, mineral water, cordials and beer. The Ramseier, Sinalco and Elmer brands can be found all over Switzerland in retail stores and numerous catering operations. At its headquarters in Sursee in the canton of Lucerne, Ramseier Suisse produces some 75 million units a year. Two things are key for the company to ensure smooth operations and top-quality products: first-class raw materials and cutting-edge technology. Right from the start, Ramseier Suisse has relied on drive solutions from SEW-EURODRIVE. Almost everything that moves in the drinks manufacturer's production hall does so thanks to the Bruchsal-based company. Take the brand-new Bottlepacker, for example. Manufactured by Rico in Ellwangen, it transfers the newly filled bottles to crates. The high-performance multi-axis servo inverter movie axis plays a role here, with the drive axes controlled by a motion controller with integrated configurable control unit, or CCU, which ensures extremely simple parameter setting rather than complicated programming. Thanks to this equipment, the Bottlepacker can pack up to 16,000 1.5-litre bottles an hour. A completely new system from SEW-EURODRIVE, a handling kinematics CCU software application module for the continuous path control of kinematic models to relieve the overarching controller during interpolations or transformations, for example, is used in the Rico glass Unpacker. This takes used bottles from crates and places them on a conveyor for transport to the washing system. Up to 48 glass bottles from 2 crates can be handled in each unpacking cycle. That's up to 21,600 bottles an hour. Rico has been successfully producing ingenious special machinery and complete systems for the drinks and packaging industry for over 40 years. The company was founded in 1972 and has been part of the Pütz Group since June 2012. The glass Unpacker has included innovative technology from SEW-EURODRIVE since the beginning of 2015. We use handling kinematics here, a multi-axis module for continuous path control of kinematic models. There are 4 different automatic solutions we can use. First, there's axis interpolation, then there's Cartesian interpolation and path interpolation with synchronous or coordinated turning. We also use the movie axis system, which is designed for highly dynamic applications and very high cycle times. Central machine control takes place in a higher level controller. The complete axis coordination is conducted in the SEW-EURODRIVE configurable control unit. This supports communication with many popular field bus systems such as Profinet or Ethernet IP and is therefore independent of the control. What's special about this solution is the simplicity of the module. It means you can enter the system parameters into the CCU and then map the kinematic model relatively easily using a guided startup. There's then also the possibility of controlling the individual path segments through the higher-level PLC, and the CCU then takes over the entire continuous path control in real time. The customer benefits from the user-friendliness of the display and operator terminal. The system is flexible and maintenance-free, and the cycle time reduced to just 4.6 seconds per cycle. The advantage is clearly that this is an encapsulated function, a solution that is tried and tested and already much used in industry. So there's no risk of the customer making programming errors. Customers can also use guided startup to get the whole thing going very easily, and also use the 3D simulation we provide to run through the entire procedure in theory on a laptop or PC. During operation, the system is supported by the Swiss company Alfred Imhoff. The drive technology specialist is a partner of SEW-EURODRIVE and takes care of on-site service. As prime contractor for SEW-EURODRIVE in Switzerland, it goes without saying that we at Alfred Imhoff provide the entire SEW product range and also full service, including training courses, startup, maintenance and other services such as energy efficiency measurements and damage analyses. With the high level of availability of our staff and our large warehouse of electronic and mechanical components, we're naturally a very efficient and competent contact for end customers, and of course we're also looking to strengthen Switzerland as a location. The Ramseier brand goes back more than 100 years and is recognized by 9 out of 10 people. By relying on the products and service of SEW-EURODRIVE, the traditional Swiss company knows it's getting first-class drive and automation technology and expert contacts.